my god, they're running! Oh my god! Freedom!
Chasing us.
They're so cute! You guys, I can't help you anymore!
Do not come to Jorpeland unless you have a car. And if you don't have a car, do not come on a Sunday. Our train got into Stavanger at 3 today, and it took us 3 hours to make our way to our Airbnb. Now some of that time was waiting for transportation and whatnot, but it's 3 hours nonetheless. And to top that off, it's extremely miserable weather right now. It's cold, it's raining, and it's very cloudy and miserable. And we had to walk a bunch, and our bags got soaked, our feet got soaked. Yeah, it was just a mess. And we ended up having to take a ferry, a bus, and a taxi. And the ferry wasn't bad, we knew we were gonna have to take that. And the bus wasn't that bad either. But the taxi. After the ferry and bus, we were about 5 minutes drive away from our Airbnb. And that 5 minutes was about 3 miles. So we were like, we don't really want to walk in the rain and cold right now, so we might as well get a taxi. We ordered a taxi, and it cost $35. 5-minute drive. Now we knew taxis were going to be expensive here because Allie's friend Erland from Berlin told us that they're a tourist trap. But we thought we'd sacrifice it, maybe it'll be 15, 20 bucks, but it was $35 for 5 minutes, 3 miles of driving. Anyways, we're here in Jorpeland. It's a beautiful place. Stavanger is a beautiful little town with wonderful Norwegian buildings and stores and whatnot. And Jorpeland is small, but very nice as well. It's just so hard to get to. Anyways, we're just gonna hang out at our Airbnb for the rest of the night because the weather is miserable outside, as I mentioned earlier. So nothing else exciting is going to happen today, but... Good morning! We are playing with fire today.
No, we're not.
Well, rain. It's been pouring on and off all day. And we waited for a lot. Right now it's actually really nice out. This way. So, thought we'd take this opportunity to start the hike. It's like 11:30 right now, but it's supposed to start downpouring by like 3 or 4, and it's quite cold, so this could turn into just a miserable freezing day. But we're doing a sick hike and I'm excited, so it's okay. The hike, however, is an hour and a 20-minute walk away from our Airbnb. There's this, yeah, there's a goat. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. There's a bunch of sheep. Bridge sheep.
Oh my god, are you guys cold? Oh my god, they're cold. Don't video me right now.
Cold, Allie?
No, I feel really good, but I don't want to say that in front of them. Hey guys. What's up? Come here, buddies. It's okay. I'll protect you from the rain. Are you cold? Oh, baby. Oh no. Hi, babies.
What is happening?
You all want love? Yes, you want love. Oh no. Oh no. What did I do?
Bye, sheep.
Sorry. Oh no, I feel so bad.
This is how I get those shots. It's trickling. This is how it starts. This is how it begins. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. We're safe. Wasn't that bad. Whew. Okay, we made it up to the hiking part. We're done to the road part. And it is majorly cold and windy, but so nice. Ah. Woo. Oh, you guys are really close to blowing over. Okay, we're gonna hike to the rock part now. Whoa! It's so windy! It's a real shame though, because the GoPro nor any camera really can actually capture how truly beautiful this is to the eye. But I guess it's kind of a good thing, because then it encourages you guys to come here, right? Just come to Norway. It only costs you $1,000 on a plane ride. One way. One way. It's like, I don't even know how much for 2-way. But just do it. Just do it. Hey guys! You seemed a lot less worried than I hoped you'd be. Well, that didn't work. They don't care about me. It is snowing / hailing and it is freezing, but oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I'm genuinely surprised that they allow people to do this, because holy crap, this is scary. Oh, I can't walk towards the edge. It's too terrifying. Oh my goodness. Oh, vertigo is a real thing, guys. Vertigo is a real thing. In a perfect world, I would get like a time lapse here, maybe a far off shot of us like sitting and eating lunch or whatever, but it is freezing and soaking, and it's gonna start getting dark in a couple of hours, so we gotta head back kind of quick. But this is honestly like extremely surreal and so scary. Oh my gosh, not the best thing for people that are scared of heights, but it's worth the fear, I'd say, though. Okay, I had to get the time lapse. Okay, photos have been taken, fingers have been frostbitten. Back down we go. Another 2 hours of hiking. Where'd I put my backpack? Allie, you warm?
No, I'm so cold. I've never been this cold in my life. This is top 10, and we're canyoning in negative weather, so I think this is pretty cold.
This trail is genuinely quite dangerous. Like, one slip and you're gone. And it's wet today. As cold and windy and damp as this hike was, it's definitely worth it. That was an unbelievable sight that you can't get anywhere else. My goodness. I'm not going to record much of the down trek because I don't have much room left in the SD card or much battery power left. So, see you at the bottom.
Washing my socks with my pants because they were so gross.
I didn't think we'd ever get home. It just wouldn't stop raining. It kept on raining. So moist. That's everything for Jorpeland. My original outro for this video was a little long, and as I said a couple of videos ago, I'm trying to shorten my vlogs so that they're actually watchable in one sitting. So I'm going to summarize. Basically, that hike was cray. It was actually quite a difficult hike up to the top, and the top is like super dangerous. 32 people have actually died from falling off of that rock. There have actually been petitions to build guardrails at the top, but they've all been rejected because Norwegians want to preserve nature's natural dangers. I love that. Anyways, our next spot is Hamburg in Germany. So I will see you guys in a few hundred miles.